My people, whatever you do in this life, please make sure you follow your conscience. Follow your conscience. Don't do something, that will haunt you in the heart later in the year. You or people say that karma is a bitch. Like karma would, no matter what you do, you will get your reward. Besides karma self, no matter what you do, God is watching all of us and is the rewarder. Is the rewarder. He will reward you according to the job of your hands. And I believe this is exactly what has happened today. Although it's a very sad news, I am not happy, reporting this, but at the same time, we need to say the truth. We need to say the truth. How can, a judge who is about to be promoted, to the Supreme Court die during the what's it called, the screening process? Is quite sad, but hmm, probably he's getting the reward for everything he has done. But anyway, hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your opinions in the comment section below. Appeal Court judge accused of taking bribes to uphold Dapo Abiodun's election slums and dies during promotion to Supreme Court. Judicial sources told Newsroom Nigeria that Justice Joseph Shagbo passed on Wednesday evening in his hometown of Makurdi. He was 65. A federal appellant judge has died as processes for his elevation to the Supreme Court commenced. Judicial sources told Newsroom Nigeria Justice Joseph Shagbo passed on Wednesday evening in his hometown of Makurdi. He was 65. Mr. Shagbo was the president of a Port Harcourt division until he suddenly slumped before his family members and was promptly pronounced dead, sources said. A spokesman for the National Judicial Council did not immediately return a request seeking comment about the development on Thursday afternoon. His death came weeks after political opposition in Ogun accused him of taking cash bribes to uphold the controversial re-election of Governor Dapo Abiodun, who already has a notoriety for corruption and the abuse of office. Mr. Agbo led a panel that upheld a lower tribunal decision, which was hinged largely on a technical claim that the opposition People's Democratic Party described as purported the initial certification of Mr. Abiodun by Electoral Office INEC. He was joined by another judge on the three-member panel. The last judge, Jane Esinamwan Iyang, dissented in the matter, saying there was no justification for upholding Mr. Abiodun as governor. The matter was promptly appealed to the Supreme Court by Ladi Adebutu, Mr. Abiodun's main challenger in the March 18 governorship poll. Judicial watchdogs said the ruling was among the most controversial of election petition verdicts so far this season. Mr. Abiodun denied all allegations of judiciary interference, and family and friends described Mr. Iyang as a thoroughbred jurist who lived his life delivering justice to the Nigerian people. An NJC official confirmed an outstanding petition but declined further comments on the matter. Born in 1958, Mr. Iyang was on the list of judges due for elevation as Associate Justices of the Supreme Court. An exercise kicked off days ago and was expected to be completed before December 31st, 2023. You all, like I said at the beginning of this video, whatever you do in this life, make sure you follow the God. Make sure you do the will of God, and you also consider your conscience. Don't take blood money, because no matter what, that blood money you have taken, and you think that nobody saw you when you collected the money, nothing is going to happen. You have been doing it for such a long time that it has become, normal to you. God is watching you, and Yoruba will say, "Bileba shika," as in, no matter how long you have done it, no matter how long, when you are going to take your reward, the pounded yam will be hot, like the food will be smoking hot. It will seem as if it was yesterday. And I feel that, I'm not judging this man. I'm by no means judging him, but, it is what it is. It is what it is. Now the family and everybody, they are in mourning, they are mourning. How can you die just a few days to getting a very important promotion? A very important promotion. This is the kind of promotion that most judges have been waiting for all their life, like to go to the Supreme Court, become a judge at the Supreme Court level. This is not the only one on the list, though. There are other people as well who were involved in tribunal, judges and tribunal court cases this season. We have Justice Samani, and that judge, that Kano State judge, that gave an order, and then when the CTC copy came out, it was something else. Like how can you give two judgments in just one case? The CTC copy is contradicting what you said the judgment was. And we have this one as well, who was the lead judge in Dakwa Biodun's case. A lot of like when I was reading, a lot of people said he's a great jurist. He's a great jurist, but the judge, way past judge, the judge of all judges, that is God, has given him his own sentence. He has also been sentenced. He has been judged according to the works of his hands. He has collected his own judgment as well. He has collected his own judgment. You all, let me have your thoughts in the comment section. What do you all think? Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.